March 15th.
Okay, we're here in Unit 8, and Jose is putting the finishing touches on our ornamental iron interior stairs. We start by installing the base plate at the top with 6 half-inch lag screws, and then kind of mock the piece up. We tack the stringers in place, then tack the threads in place. Make sure everything's square, true, and how it should be. You can see here, the stringer had a little bit of a bow to it, so we had to use the wall to kind of push it back into position before we put on our final welds.
High tech.
Yes, we operate with the latest techniques. After this is done, the handrail and guardrail will be welded onto the stringer, and we also have a guardrail at the mezzanine level that will connect with the stair.
And we're doing this thing, what, 5 or 6 times?
6 times.
6 times. Okay, thanks, man.